Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So in today's video, we're going to be helping you clarify the questions you may have regarding the PixelVerse Telegram bot game and the airdrop distribution and allocation, right? So we understand that PixelVerse launched their token July 18th, okay, and majority of Nigerians got access to their airdrop allocations July 19th because their dashboard and the Telegram bot game wasn't active, it wasn't accessible, probably had a downtime, right? Okay, so if you've already seen your allocation and probably you see zero, or you're seeing 230 or 5,000 plus or 600 plus, this video is going to be explaining the reasons for this. Alright, so on this document as seen on their official website, we'll just scroll through all of this and head to the main points. So here it says PixelVerse aim to take us back to the glory days with a brand new airdrop distribution mechanism. This is not your regular airdrop distribution to start with. Okay, so drawing inspiration from gaming battle passes and traditional venture capital earnout provisions. Okay, so important information for Pixel Tap and dashboard participants. All participants of Pixel Tap and dashboard as of July 18th, that is like 12 a.m. UTC, okay, will receive an airdrop in the form of unique NFTs. Alright, so these are the rules for receiving NFTs on PixelTap. So PixelTap is the Telegram bot game. So level 1, if you're in level 1, you receive a common NFT. Between level 2 to 4, you receive uncommon NFT. If you're between the levels 5 to 7, you receive the rare NFT. And if you're between the levels 8 to 9, you receive epic NFT. And if you're level 10, you receive legendary. Okay, and it says rules for receiving NFTs on dashboard is based on the number of bots and their cumulative level. So if you are conversant with the PixelVerse dashboard, you note that you are given the option to obviously buy bots with your PIX. So just like you were earning coins on the Telegram bot, you're earning PIX on the dashboard, right? And those tokens, the PIX tokens that you're earning on the dashboard, was to be used to buy bots on the dashboard, right? And obviously upgrade them. So if you didn't use those tokens on the dashboard, well, you're probably on level 0 and you'll be receiving probably a common NFT. Or if you didn't do any form of interaction on the dashboard, probably you'll also be having 0 PIX tokens. So the rules for receiving NFTs on dashboard: number of bots on their cumulative level and completing quests on demo playground. Okay, so these early adopter NFTs will provide rewards within the PixelVerse ecosystem. NFTs will be available for claim exactly 1 week later, that is July 25th. Okay, all right, so now let's get into the tokenomics. So say it says 10% of PIXFI holders of rare, epic and legendary NFTs will immediately receive a drop amounting to 10% of the total supply of all tokens. So if you had the rare NFT, if you had the epic NFT and you had the legendary NFT on the Telegram bot and on the dashboard, you would receive token allocations, and this token allocation received is 10% of the PixelFi supply that has been shared to all community members, right? Okay, so he's saying the PixelFi airdrop will make available to our incredible community up to 10% of the total supply of PixelFi as a massive thank you for their early support on this incredible journey. And on the day of TGE, July 18th, you'll be able to check your allocations, which will match the time and effort you've put into PixelVerse ecosystem so far, and see how many PixelFi you are eligible for. However, PixelVerse have created a new mechanism for benefiting from the airdrop to ensure that real users that create value for the PixelVerse ecosystem are rewarded, and bottom multi-account activities are disincentivized to ensure distributions are made to real people. Okay, so in addition to the 10% airdrop, an additional 20% of the PIXFI supply will be rewarded to users in order to bootstrap and incentivize the use of Pixel chain, meaning a total of 30% of PIXFI supply is up for grabs for ecosystem users. So what this means is that over time, 20% of PIXFI will still be distributed as airdrop. So this 10% that has been distributed now is not going to be the end of the airdrop. Okay, so over time, if you continue to use the PIXFI chain, if you continue to interact with their gaming system, you will be eligible for the remaining 20% of PIXFI airdrop in future. Okay, so I want you all to also understand the rest of this document. It says that you receive your PIXFI tokens with gasless mechanisms. Okay, you visit your dashboard and Pixel Tap mini app to claim your tokens by following the instructions on the home page and using your preferred Web3 wallet deposit address. Upon claiming, your token will automatically be transferred to our gasless staking system. This means you won't need to pay to stake your tokens, allowing you to earn rewards from the unique raffle system. Okay, so users have 1 week to claim the airdrop from the Telegram mini app and dashboard. If not claimed, the tokens will be distributed to the community incentives pool. All right, so by the time you are you can now claim the tokens. I believe this should start July 25th. I believe it should be in 1 week. That is as the number of days run down, because I believe there's a countdown you can see, right? So when it's time for you to claim the token, you still have about just 1 week to claim these tokens, and if you don't claim them, tokens will be redistributed. Okay, so this process helps filter out bots and malicious activities, rewarding our true community members. However, if a user decides to withdraw their airdrop on day one, they'll receive only 10% of their PIXFI airdrop, with the remaining 90% being recycled into the PIXFI community incentive pool. Okay, this also needs to be highlighted. All right, so if you want to withdraw your airdrop, if you are saying 5,000 plus PIXFI, 10%, you only be able to withdraw 10% of that. That should be about 500 thereabouts. Okay, if you're seeing 200 and something, you should withdraw only 2%, and that's about 20 something PIXFI. And this is the way it has been structured if you decide to withdraw your airdrop. Okay, and this approach discourages short-term behavior and minimizes sell pressures from low-value users who are not genuinely part of the Pixelverse community and not interested in receiving game assets or supporting the Ton Layer 2 network. And as time goes on, instead of simply applying time-based vesting, users will be able to earn the remaining 90% of their airdrop by continuing to play with PixelTap and other Pixelverse multiverse products, and by performing certain actions on Pixel chain. This innovative system rewards users for their actions, similarly to how battle passes work in Web 2 games, meaning the more you utilize the Pixelverse products, the more PIXFI tokens you will be able to withdraw. So this is a continuous thing. You cannot just say you want to get your airdrop and then off with Pixelverse. Like, yeah, that's the end. I'm done with you guys. I've done the work. I've done the tap. You give me my money, and that's it. No, that's not how it's going to work here. What's going to happen is that whatever airdrop application you can see right now, you're only going to get 10% of it, and over time you get the 90% if you continue to interact with their chain and continue to interact with their game and continue to interact with their ecosystem. So if you do not do that, the remaining 90% will be redistributed to the community pool. That's what they are letting you guys know. So this innovative mechanism ensures that our long-term supporters, see, they're really emphasizing on long-term here. They do not want short-term. What did they call people like that again? They said short-term low-value users who are not genuinely part of the Pixelverse community. So they only want genuine users, right, to receive the rewards. And that is what we have. So I hope this is clear enough for those who have questions regarding Pixelverse. So if you're seeing 0, it means you didn't get any airdrop, right? Probably you just get the NFT, common NFT or uncommon NFT, right? But if you're from rare to epic legendary, you receive some units, and those units you're receiving, I believe you're only going to be getting about 10% of those units, the quantity of airdrops that has been received. And I hope this video has been helpful, guys, and ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content from the SMC tutors. And also, if you do love what our channel brings to you, the value we bring to you, do support us by buying our educational token WikiCat, built on the BSC chain, and the contract address will be in the description box beneath. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.